In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grok AI chat history on desktop and mobile. If you're cleaning up old conversations or just want a fresh start, I'll guide you through exactly what to do on both the website and the app. Keep in mind that deleting chats is usually permanent, so only remove conversations you're sure you don't need. First, open Grok AI. On a computer, head to grok.com in your browser. On a phone or tablet, open the Grok app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you make any changes, especially if you use multiple profiles. Once you're in, access your chat history. On desktop, look to the left-hand sidebar where your recent conversations appear. On mobile, tap the menu icon to open your list of previous chats. This view is where you'll choose what to remove. Quick note before we continue. You'll find a link to the Grok website and the app download right at the top of the description, so you can open it from there if you need it. Next, select the chat you want to delete. Scroll through your list, find the conversation you want to remove, and open it so you can access the controls specific to that chat. Now, delete the chat. Inside the conversation, look for the three dots or a delete icon. Tap or click it, then confirm when prompted. This confirmation is important. It prevents accidental deletions, so read it carefully before you proceed. If your version supports it, you can remove multiple chats at once. On mobile, long press one conversation to enter selection mode. Then tap any additional chats you want to remove. When you're ready, tap delete to clear them all in a single action. Not all builds have this feature, so if you don't see it, you can still delete chats one by one. To clear everything, check for a global option in settings. Go to settings, then look for data controls or a similarly named section. If you see clear chat history, select it and confirm. This removes your saved conversations in bulk and is the fastest way to wipe your history when available. Finally, refresh to confirm. On desktop, reload the page. On mobile, close and reopen the app. After refreshing, your deleted chats should no longer appear in your history. That's how you delete your Grok chat history quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.